YouTube Music is a streaming service where you can find songs, albums, playlists, remixes, live performances, and even unique unofficial tracks. You can use it on your phones, tablets, computers, and smart TVs. With a paid subscription, you can listen even when the app is in the background. So first of all, you need to get the app from the Play Store or the App Store, open it and log in with your Google account. Now pick some of your favorite artist, type of music, moods. This helps YouTube Music suggest music that you like. And the home screen shows suggested songs and playlist mixes for different moods like relaxing, exercise, concentration, and sleep. Also, new music that you have recently played. The more you listen, the better the suggestion get. And to find and play music, you can also use the search bar in the top right corner of your screen that is between the notifications and your profile picture. Now go ahead and search for the specific artist or the song that you want to play. And you can see the play button over here. Go ahead and simply play it. Or you can tap on the specific song that you want to play and it will instantly start playing. You can easily switch between different versions of the song as well. And the music video, live recordings, or remixes. This is a key feature of the YouTube Music. And to create a playlist, you need to tap on the three dot next to the song. And there you'll see the option of save to playlist. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you can go ahead, create a new playlist or add to an existing one. You can make playlists for studying, working out, traveling, sleeping, and different moods. You can also tap on the like button to like the music. It helps the app suggest better music for you. And there is also the section of library where you can find songs that you've liked, your playlist, and your downloads as well. Downloads are available if you have YouTube Music Premium. It lets you listen without needing the internet. YouTube Music also has free and a paid version. The free version has ads and it can't play music in the background. It only works with the internet, but the paid version has no ads. It plays in the background, lets you download music, and has better sound quality. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.